we are installing the head unit of the X5. So I just think that it's better than what we have right now. We need the cutter plant. So if this is your first time to do some head unit wiring, as she said, it's very intimidating because there's just so much wires. Well, it's simple. This will be your supply. I mean, this is your on. This will be your constant, so this will serve as a memory, like your time or your settings for your equalizer. And then black will always be ground. This is ground. And then blue is your remote, so this will control your subwoofer and then everything that has a pair. So this will be speakers. So luckily this is labeled left front, and then the black one is ground, green is, I don't know.
So here.
There. Here's another label. So rear right, purple, front right, gray, rear left, green, front left, white. So that's it. And it goes the same with what's on the car. Okay. From the car, remember not to cut this all at the same time, because if you cut this all at the same time, what will happen?
Short.
Okay. Red. And then for the speakers, you can just cut it all together. Okay. There goes your power side. So what's next is speakers, but before that, let's wrap this up. So speakers are wired up, and we are. Is it hot? She burned herself, so we're just shrink wrapping it, and then we will mount the GPS and wire it, and that's it. So now we will attach. Cut this off. This is for your GPS. There. This is your power. This is your GPS. This is your speakers. And this is your remote switch. This is for your subwoofers. So subs. See, this is one of the advantage of this head unit. So you have your front speakers for the amp if we're planning to do an amp for the front. We have your rear subs. You have your AV in. You have your AV out. See? But this is better than your current. The subs will be. Remember to tape this because you don't want this to be hitting any ground. There you go. It's better, right? All I have to do now is to change the logo. So I don't know. Maybe a Momo or an Evo.